guys, welcome to our channel. We're gonna making some homemade cookies. And stay tuned. I'm gonna add in the flour.
Pour it all in the bowl, baby. Okay. And then we're gonna add. Yes, but we're gonna do you too. Then we're gonna add the cornstarch. Put the cornstarch in, Bubba. Okay, good job. We're gonna add in the salt. And then we're gonna add in the baking soda.
What did that call? Yes.
Good job, Bubba. Then we're gonna mix together. We're gonna mix it. Mix it with the. Go ahead, Bubba. Mix it. Good job. Okay, y'all. Then we're gonna set it to the side. We're gonna set it to the side.
Now we're gonna be adding the butter and cream cheese.
Bubba, you're gonna help too. Maya, hold this. Hold that. Now we're just gonna let that cream together for a moment, and then we're gonna add in the sugar and the brown sugar. And the sugar. So go ahead, add the brown sugar, Maya. And then Bubba, you can add the sugar. I'll help him. Good job, Bubba. Big boy. Now we're gonna cream this together until it's light and fluffy. Bubba, you're gonna pour the vanilla. Okay, Bubba, come on. Come on, Bubba, help pour the vanilla. He's so dramatic, y'all. I'm just gonna have to do it. He'll be alright. Just eyeball it, you know, add how much ever you want, but not too much.
Yeah, don't add too much. Make it more nasty.
Look at him. Now we're gonna combine just until it's mixed and combined. And then once you think it's mixed, scrape down the side of the bowl and then mix for like 2 seconds.
Now we're gonna add the dry ingredients.
A little bit more. Okay. We're going to start it on slow so it doesn't go flying. The flour doesn't go flying everywhere. Bubba's mad. Okay.
And now we're gonna be adding the cookies and the chocolate.
Have to do just a handful. And now mix it. Like fold it, kind of fold it in, baby.
Like that? So hard.
Yes. I know, but you started acting up, so that's what. You started acting up, Bubba. After you fold in the cookies and the chocolate chip, and you're gonna put it in the refrigerator for about an hour or more, but no less than an hour. And we'll be back.
We're back, and we're gonna be rolling them and then putting them in the oven.
Sanitize your hands.
Yeah.
Can't wait to bake them up. Right, Maya?
Yes.
Okay. Put your hands down a little. There you go. Okay, now put it on the
Mommy, I don't like it.
I know it is sticky, but it is what it is.
You just wash it here. This is what I'm doing. I'm wiping it off.
Maya, let them see it.
Go ahead and record.
I am.
Yeah.
Put your hands down, Lord. There we go.
I didn't know how to
Maya, put your hands down. Okay.
We're gonna melt some more.
Roll it. Pull it down so they can. Alright, you gotta come down. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add some extra white chocolate, and then we're gonna put in the oven at 350 and bake for about 10 minutes or until the outer of the cookies get a little golden brown. But you don't want to overcook the cookies. It might look like it's not done. But once they cool off, they'll be done. Do you like baking, Maya?
I'll probably be a baker when I grow up.
You will?
Yeah.
Why do you want to bake? What made you want to bake?
Because you bake and I need somewhere to teach me bake like you.
Y'all excuse her shirt. She was eating spaghetti.
Is that Daddy?
Yeah, that's Daddy. And there you have it, homemade cookies and cream cookies. Can't wait to try them out.
Hope you have it.
Thank you for watching our video.
Thank you for watching our video. Hope you like and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.